Hey guys, I'm just hopping in here. I was doing some Christmas decorating shopping this week and I thought, you know what, I want to switch it up a little bit this Christmas, but I don't know what I want to do. And then I thought, you know, other people might feel the same way. So let me just do a little video showing kind of the different Christmas decorating schemes that you guys can choose from. And of course there's way more than I'm showing here, but these are some of the popular ones that are easily available to find. I really love this colorful, whimsical Christmas decor line. Can you believe everything I showed here was like $1? No more than $1.99. As always, make sure you guys let me know what your favorite ornament is below. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is my second favorite scheme, which is the jeweled Christmas. I really think this is just super rich and like, I don't know, just so girly and so fancy. I loved all the ombre and like the confetti ornaments. I took a lot of those. These are one of my favorites. I actually plan on using those herringbone ornaments just like throughout the year. I might grab a couple more as like to fill some vases and stuff as well. I think a lot of people really like the Rustic Glam. I think that's a really popular theme as well. So if you're going for that and you want to keep it in the neutrals, but a lot of glitter, a lot of glam, this would be a really good theme for you. I just had to grab these, you guys. I totally use these all the time, even for my regular party business. So you guys can just go for a glam theme and just do it. I know glam's really popular here on YouTube, and you know that's just sparkle, glitter, mirror, everything. I thought I'd show you guys just traditional Christmas as well, and just a way to kind of spice it up a little bit. I really liked those garlands, and I love those bottle cleaner Christmas trees. If you spray paint those, it's a really cute DIY as well. So you guys, here's what I made off with. I think I did pretty good. I think I only spent like $20. That's not including my kids' chicken nuggets that you see sliding through. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy holidays. If you guys like hanging around and you want to catch another video, go ahead and click the box that you see at the top of the screen. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.